So here we have gold. This indicator is a new viral indicator, which I'm going to share with you as we go on. But for now, let's focus on finding trades because we have to grow this $10 account into something big. So at first I had over $100. So I had to withdraw and only leave $10 in this account. The broker that I'm using right now is in this video description. If you want us to grow into a certain amount, 10,000, 5,000, 3,000, comment below. Here we have gold playing above this low, right? This is the low that we have right now, and you can see that gold is actually surpassing this actual low and pushing towards this indicator, right? So how this indicator works is very simple. You can see that this is a powerful indicator. Every time the market is below this indicator, is going down. This is what we have here. And also when the market actually touches it like this and reject it, the market actually shoots down. This is what we are going to be using to grow this $10 account. Right now we don't have any big trade, but we can now see that gold is now coming back to this low that we have right here, right? Will it close below this low or will it reject this actual low? If it rejects, then we have to enter a buy trade towards this actual indicator, right? It's a risky trade, but we'll see how it goes because that means it will be moving towards there. But right now we can clearly see that it's actually pushing down faster. Let's see where it closes, because sometimes it can even go down like this, then push back up, showing that it's a big rejection. But if it closes right below this low, it will be a good place to enter a sell trade. So the most important thing when you're trading is where you enter your trade and where you take your profit. So right now we can see that gold is below this new viral indicator. I'm going to share with you this indicator very soon, but for now let's focus on actually finding the best trades and actually collecting our profits, right? So to enter, we are entering here because we have this low, right? And you can see gold actually rejected that low and now it's actually shooting down. So here we can see the profits, $40, $50, $60. Gold is actually going down sharply from that level, right? I don't want to be greedy here, so I'm going to close with the profit that we have right here, right? So this is what happens when you're trading. You can see big profits, right? If you become greedy and you think that the market is going to continue going down, this is where we see these kind of rejections, and you don't want to be caught by this, where this rejection happens and gold goes the opposite direction, because it actually gave you the opportunity to take your profits while at least you were deep in profit, right? For example, when you see you were deep in $60 profits, you could have collected that profit, but if you have been holding right now, you'll be back to nearly $0. Since you've now collected those profits, it's time to look for another trade, right? So now our balance, we can see that is 48.75. So we're going to be using a bigger lot size than before. Right here we have this actual viral indicator, and now we have gold. We can see that it just closed above, which is a new direction that we actually have, right? So let me put another trade right here, right? So here is very simple. We are seeing a new direction. So when you see a new direction like this, it's either gold is going to go up very big and give us good profit, because all the way here we can see that gold was staying below this actual indicator, but now we are above, which means we must also see good profit. Sometimes the market can be going up and down because it just closed above, and we need to see it will need more pressure for it to actually give us good profit. Right now it's now getting into profits, $5, $6, okay, $30, okay, but we need the market to get to somewhere right around here, right, for us to take our profits. Okay, this is good, this is good. I'm going to collect these profits. This is good, this is good, this is good. Okay, so now we've reached our target. By the time we collected the profits, our trading account is now at 87.79. This is how you grow a $10 account. You are growing this together, right? So this is exactly how you do it. Right here you can see that the market is now above this high and it's actually going up sharply. If you want the trade, we could be deep in more profit, but don't want to be greedy, because these levels are where the market can turn. And right here, the next level will be somewhere around here or even here, right? So this is where the market already is. So if you close above this one, right, we have to enter. So you can see that this indicator is now starting to turn, going up. So when you have the right indicator, this new indicator, and also trading exactly as you must do, being patient and actually waiting for the right signals, you can enter good trades just like this one and actually get good profits. So here we can see that the market is above, it closed above, and from right here, right, we want to see the market actually going up, right? We cannot control the market, but from this indicator, it's telling us that the market must go up. Here you can see we are going to profits, $3, $4, $10. The market is going up and down, right? That is how the market moves. It doesn't just go up in one direction, but now it's giving us bigger profits. This is good. This is good. I'm going to collect this one, right? This is good, right? We can now see how powerful this indicator is. Imagine you are using this on your $10 account, and you're also growing your account exactly like this, right? You need to watch this video maybe 2-3 times to understand, to actually copy exactly what I'm doing right now, right? You can see now the market is above. We haven't had any retracement yet. You trade what the market is giving you. Here we have the market now right around here. So if it closes above here also, that means the pressure is still going up. So we need to enter right now. I was a little bit late here. I must have entered exactly right here, but it's okay, right? Sometimes it will be a little bit late. If you have a good strategy and you're using the correct indicator, this new setting that I've just used right now, you can see how it's growing this trading account. We started with $10 and now we are around $200. So having accurate entries, it also helps you to make more profit. That is why when you're trading, you need a good and reliable broker. But it's not every time that the market will just shoot up like it did here. Sometimes it will form small rejections like this, but then go into your direction. Right here, you can now see that the market is now going our direction, right? So here on this trade, I don't want to target much, right? You can see that it's rejecting a lot. $100 will be okay from this actual trade. So let's see what the market will do, right? It's still giving us bullish candles, which means it's still going up, right? This is your signal. It's very simple and straightforward. When you have bullish candles, more bullish candles means the market is still going up. This level is actually showing that it's strong. If it pushes one more time to our level there, we collect the profits somewhere around $30-40. That will be okay. That will be okay. That's good. That will be okay. So right now, I'm going to enter a buy trade. You can see the $10 account that we started with. We are now at over $200. And now gold is been bouncing around here. This is actually a good thing that we have gold actually coming back to bounce, going up, right? Still giving us the green candles, right? Even though now we can now see the red candles, it means that the momentum that we have right here, where gold was going up sharply, is now dying, right? So maybe very soon we can start to see the market starting to go down, right? So this is where we have this level that we have right here. When the market is above, it means we are still going up, but if it starts to go below, then we have to 10, right? So here you can see we are making good profit, $100. That's good, that's okay, but I need more from this trade. You must also know, right, what you want from the market, right? So if a trade is supposed to make you like $100, $200, you have to know what the market must give you. And also when it gets there, you need to collect it, right? So this is exactly how you trade a $10 account to grow it. If you look closely on this, right, between this one and this one, you can see there is a gap right there. And this is the actual signal that you need for the market to actually go up. And it goes up like this. That's good. You collect profit. So this is another secret that brokers don't even want you to know, but it's there, right? You can see exactly what is happening right in front of you. And once you have that, collect your profits, because it will give a big push like this. You collect your profits, then after you can turn or do whatever it wants. But just by doing this, you'll be able to get 100% sure trades. We are still in a buy direction. We are above this level. And the closer we get to this level, it will be good for us to enter buy trades. So going back to what we did, we can see that right here, we're below, right? Gold was going down, right? This Vero indicator is very powerful. It was giving us a good direction. And we're entering sell trades, right? So these sell trades were from these levels. The other one was from around here, right? These actual lows that we have here are the important ones, which gave us a proper entry, right? And also take profit levels down here where there was a big candle. After these big candles, these big moves, this is where you take your profits. Same as when the market was going up. This is also where you also take your profit when you have a big move like this. Because after that big move, gold can turn and go the opposite direction. These are the little secrets that brokers don't want you to know, but I'm going to be sharing with you anyway. So make sure to like this video and also share with your friends so that they can get to know the secrets on how to actually trade. So now I'm back. So from what we can see here, right, the market has been moving crazy. Here you can see that this is where we are trading, right? The candles were normal, we're making good profit. And right here, about 10 minutes before 3:30, right, you can see the candles became a little bit bigger, right? But it was not big enough compared to this candle that you have right here. So this actually shows you if you are still a beginner, you don't know exactly what you are doing, right? This is not the time to actually trade, right? Especially when you're trading with a $10 account, a small Forex account, and you are growing it. Like for example, right now, right, we have grown this account from $10 now to $457, right? And we cannot risk it to lose it all just on a one trade, just like this, right? So, right, you could have made a lot of money from this, maybe turn a $400 account maybe into over 1,000. Here I'm showing you exactly how you can grow the right way, step by step, right, without risking your account. So here you can see that the market has been moving up and down. So this is a new area that we're trading in right now. The market is telling us it must go up, but this is a new area, right? There are no other lows or highs on the left side that we can look at to know exactly where to enter. So this can be challenging for beginners, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So here you can see, right, we have a previous level here where the market is moving, retracing, bouncing from, right? So if the market gets here, this is where we can look to enter by trades. But now also you have a new highs. We have new highs that we have right here, right? So the market, if it goes above here, we also look for a buy trade, right? So here also I'm seeing a level, right, which is called hidden support and resistance levels, right? These are hidden levels where the market has been secretly bouncing from. These are some secrets that brokers don't want you to know. You can see this level code is respecting it, is coming to it close, turning, going down. This is a secret level you can actually find in the market. They are not the normal highs, they are not the normal lows that you see on the market, but these are levels where brokers are actually giving you information of how the market is moving. You can see this candle, right, and also look right here, right? If you look closely, you see it. I'm not going to say exactly what exactly there, but if you can see it, comment below. Sharing this information can get this channel deleted, so I don't want this channel to be deleted. I want to help you guys grow. I want to help you to become better traders. These are some of the things I'll be giving you this information in the coming videos as you go. Now, since we have confirmed that this level is good, we have to see where gold closes. If it closes above, we enter a buy trade, but right now it's playing below and we don't have a trade yet. So yet the market is now back in between these actual levels, right? You can see that it's been bouncing up, went outside, now came back inside, right? So this means that this level that we have right here, right, the market is actually not knowing where it wants to go, like indecision candle, right? So if you go to a bigger time frame, like a 15, okay, let's go to a 5-minute time frame, you can see what's happening. This is the candle. Inside this candle is where the market is going up and down on a 1-minute time frame. So on a 1-minute time frame, you can now see clearly everything. And from here now, right, what you can see is that if the market is above, it's going for a buy. So which means when it's below, it's going for a sell, right? So we are waiting for it to close, right? Let's wait for it. Right, if it closes below here, we enter a sell trade. But if it closes above, then we have to enter a buy trade. Right here, you can see it's rejecting, come back inside. We want a proper signal where the market actually closes below, so that we can actually enter a signal where it closes below this level right here, because this way you can see all the rejections were happening. So if it closes below, that will be good. And now we are missing out. I know this, we are missing out on some profit, and this is what we call fear of missing out, right? Because you see a big candle like this, you can feel like you want to enter. You have to enter right now so that you can get the profits, but be patient, right? Wait for the candle to actually close. And now you see we are now in profit, and as the market gets to the moving average, we are closing our trade, right? It can be small profit, but we are closing our trade. You can see we have hit our TP, we close our trade, and now this is what happens when you are patient, right? You wait for the right trade, you actually get your trade very, very good, right? So now we have made good profit, and now we are now growing the account much even faster. So here you can see that we are now below this actual indicator, right? So if you look at this, right, this actually looks something similar, right, that we have before, right? If you look here, we have the market closing above this indicator, then came back to reject at this level, right? So here also we are coming back again to this actual indicator, and now we are entering a sell trade. The reason we are entering the sell trade is very simple, that I've just explained, right? So we want to see gold actually going down, and now that's exactly what we have. Simple and straightforward, and also it's at the same level at the support level or resistance level that we had, right? This was the support level that we had before, and now the market is back below. This is where we entered this actual trade, and now you can see that our account is now at over 1,789, right? This is something good. The account is growing. When you're having a good broker now, right? See why I say you have to use the broker, which is in this video description, right? You can see how gold goes up and down fast. But from this 1-minute candle, I've entered, I've exited with over $1,000 from a trade from this same 1 minute. It was fast and quick. When you have a good broker, you can trade very nicely and also get good trades. If you are learning, please like this video and also subscribe for more videos like this. So look what we have right here, right? So we have a gold, right? It has been playing, going up, going down, consolidation, right? That we have right here. There's formed a new low, right? That we have right there. but still is still inside this actual range, which is our indicator right there, and also the solo that we have right here. So here now you can clearly see that the market is above this this indicator, right? We're just above the indicator and also above this level, right? So we want gold to actually go up from right here, from where we are, right? You can see gold came back down, right? But it don't reach this actual TP level. So from here, when it's supported, it must actually go up, right? So that is what we want to see from gold, right? Because it closed above this actual indicator, and now it's going up and down, right? You can see we are still in a loss of $200, $100. Okay, we have to be patient a little bit, right? As we are getting into profit very soon, right? We are now $34 in loss, right? In profit, $70. Okay, now it's volatile, $300, right? $400. Okay, that's good. Now we need it to push to get to our TP level. Push $700, $1,000. That is good. That is good. That is good, right? I'm going to collect that one. Here I've just entered a trade. So this trade is very similar if you look closely to the trade that we had right around here. You can see we have a rejection, a candle close above it, and then the next candle. And also if you look here, we have nearly the same thing, right? This is the exact same thing. And now the trade is now in profit, right? It's going down, and I'm going to close right around here. Okay, $400. Okay, it's still going up and down, $400. But this good profit, I'm going to collect it. This good profit, and now, right, you can see we have grown the account from $10. And now we are at $4,000, and this is all because of this repetition of trades, right? The market sometimes repeat the same trades and give you the same opportunities. Remember, we started with a $10 account. I had over $100, withdrew some money and left with only $10, which is what we grew together right now to where we are, right? So this is exactly what you can do if you also want to grow a $10 account, right, into $4,000 step by step. Watch this video several times. And for the settings of this actual viral indicator, so I'm going to put it in the Telegram group, which is in the video description, or you can just comment below EMA and I'll give you the settings directly to you.